current headlight situation. So that's the standard halogen bulbs, main beam, side lights. You can just about see the side lights light up. Normal headlights, flash, main beam. So that's what I'm currently working with. We'll go for a drive, see what they're like on the road. But yeah, that's the current situation. So normal dipped beam, dark lane, useless. Can't see a thing. Main beam, yeah, it's a lot better, but it's not bad. That's all right. You can live with that. It's okay. Very yellow. Wow. Okay. What do we have? Wiring kit? What? Wow. Okay, they're not messing about, are they? Okay, bracket, inline fuses, relays. 2 relays, okay, 1 for each side, fuses. Wow. Okay, this isn't going to be as straightforward as I thought. Okay, that's all right. Good. Well, I'll tell you what, that's some lump. Wow. Fans in there as well, look. Fan cooling, that must be... Oh, there it is, there's a plug for that. H4. Please not turn the positions of the high beam and low beam upside down during installation. Okay, try not to. Email support, QR code. Tear invalid. Okay, fine. Oh, that's a heavy. Okay, how is this going to work? They're not messing about with this. Okay, fuse. Oh, so there's only one live. So that's the live. There's 2 plugs. And then there's 2 relays. So I'd have to find a home for these relays as well. Earth. So 1 earth. Hang on, no. Down there, 2 earth. Connect the power line with the original car lamp connector.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Clip. Okay, so they're in. Okay, so now I need to plug this into this. Plug in the car, the old connector for the bulb into this new wiring loom. Bulbs in, which obviously are a lot brighter on the front. Yeah, let's go for a drive down the same road we went down last night. So yeah, I feel like it's a much brighter light, but also I think it spreads out further, so I can see both curbs, both hedges, a lot clearer than those halogens. And then main beam, yeah, it's just loads better. I don't know how much the camera's picking it up, but yeah, honestly, from here it's so much clearer, everything around. The curbs and the hedges are more defined. I can see them straight. Well, I don't know how to explain it. Yes, very, very good. I'm mightily impressed. And this is actually before I've even cleaned the headlights. I was hoping to get the headlights polished up today, but I haven't got round to that. So this is still with the faded headlights. Very impressive. Thank you again, NovSight. Much appreciated. As I said, there is a 20% discount code. Code is on the screen again now, and the link will be in the description. Thank you very much for watching. If you have been this far, I appreciate it. And until the next one, thank you. Bye bye.